From Everything iCafe, and it finally showed up. This is the iPad. Just came today from UPS, so I'm actually just a little excited. So let's see if we can crack this open. As you can see how it's boxed. And here we go. There it is. Well, it's not all its glory. This is just a box, but the box looks like a big iPhone box, but we're expecting more. So let's take a look. This is 16 gigabyte Wi-Fi only. 3G is not out yet. And we crack the plastic, and I don't want this thing to pop out, so we'll just do like so. And let's get close up. And we crack it open, and there it is. Throw that box aside, and it's actually really light. My phone's ringing, but you know what? More important things. iPad day. Who could be calling me on iPad day? They out of their minds? Obviously, really nice reflection there. There's the camera. And let's see if we can power it on. Okay, so looks like you got your power button up here, and let's see if we can get, oh, there we go. We have got power. And I'm going to take you around the device while we power up. Okay, so this is asking me to connect to iTunes. So what I'm going to do is connect it to iTunes and come back later. Be sure to check us out at everythingicafe.com for all your iPod news, reviews, and forums. Thanks for joining me. It's been Christopher Mink for Everything